respected President, honorable judges, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. It was the summer of 1947, and the sky witnessed millions of people migrating to this new state, weary, empty-handed, and distressed, bearing dead bodies of their loved one in their minds, leaving all their belongings behind. They were a noble nation of a new state. They were a nation, respected President. They were a nation even before the emergence of this country, because they have all those qualities: loyalty, faith, compassion, and bravery. Now, we have a country, but not a nation, running behind our individual passions. We are just a mob, not a nation. Ethical degradation and moral decadence have snatched all those values which made us a nation. Honorable judges, a 7-year-old girl is brutally abused and killed. A mother is robbed and assaulted before her children on a busy motorway. A mother is beaten mercilessly by her own son. Is it the face of a developed country? Is it the face of a great nation? Is it the face of a pure land? No, Mr. President. It is the face of moral decline. It is the face of ethical degradation. It is the face of our national decline. Because nations decline when morality declines. Seeing eyes, conscious mind, and sensitive heart can see declining morality prevailing everywhere. I see declining morality at footpaths where children are begging and cleaning the cart. I see declining morality in old age homes where parents are left alone by their own children. I see declining morality in streets where people are paid for a few thousand rupees. I see declining morality on TV where women are dancing to sell things of humans 2 rupees. I see declining morality in police stations and courts where laws are bent to favor rich and powerful. I see declining morality when women are killed in the search of honor killing or are burnt with acid. I see declining morality when showing skin is considered as beauty and modernism. I see declining morality when our elected politicians involved in corruption and white-collar crime. And then people ask, why Pakistan is not progressing? Why we are declining in spite of all resources and higher education? Honorable judges, how can we progress when our society is corrupt and materialistic? From politician to vendor, everyone is corrupt and does not get any chance of making money. Everybody is busy in rat race in pursuit of wealth, power, and status. Dear fellows, how can we progress when our youth indulge in useless activities? They are busy in Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok. They have no interest in science, technology, or any other research. They remain awake whole the night, thanks to our mobile packages, and make castles in the air during the day. How can we progress when our mothers handed over their responsibility to school and tuition centers? They have no time to mold their children morally and ethically. Fathers have become money-making machines. So how can respected President Salahuddin Ayyubi, Muhammad bin Qasim, and Tariq bin Zayed be produced to change the fate of the nation? As a nation, we have failed to meet our moral standards. World has tagged us corrupt and unreliable. We lost our self-respect in the eyes of the world so much that we have failed to highlight the worst human rights violation in Kashmir and Palestine. And if we raise our voice, no one is ready to pay heed to it. Honorable judges, our problem is not just immediately political, economic, and social. The decline of the nation is due to spiritual factor. The only reason behind this decline is that we have drifted far from Allah Almighty and His commandments. We have left two basic sources of guidance, Quran and Hadith, behind in order to look modern and westernized. Certainly, honorable judges, we are facing moral and national decline. It is a high time to mend our ways. In Quran, Allah Almighty says that He wants the human being by inflicting pain before the final punishment. Dear fellows, just imagine how an invisible and smallest creature, coronavirus, has put all the world on hold. We haven't done anything from this pandemic. People are stealing sanitizer from ATM and selling their plasma instead of donating. So, He sent this to us as a reminder. It's time to go back to Him before He destroys us like the nation those of Aad and Samud. It's time to hold the rope of Allah Almighty before it's too late. Honorable audience, we need to learn all those values which made us a good Muslim and a great Pakistani. So, stop blaming